to wait in the area to wash your clothes. What the fuck?
Ooh.
What is this dude just do like an awkward giant turn out of the station?
Hi.
Oh, it's like a Euro fighter with a giant awkward turn.
Please hold on to the left arm. Enjoy your ride.
Whoa.
Alright.
Right into the sun.
Alright.
Here we go.
It's such a German roller coaster.
Oh, that's all weird. Okay.
And we did it.
It is just kind of. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Like useless, stretched out turns. That's good.
Right into the sun.
German engineering.
Yeah, something, I guess.